Hi, my name is Lowell Parascandola, and I'm a sophomore in the biology program at West Virginia University. For as long as I can remember, the most important thing in my life was a relationship that I had with friends and family. It felt only natural to gravitate towards a school like West Virginia University to go to for the next 4 years. So far, WVU has given me lifelong friendships and a network of connections that have led me to my path in life today. It all started within my biology major. At first, it felt daunting that I might just be another face in the crowd, and that might be true for other schools, but not at WVU. From day one, I was able to see familiar faces and friendly people in all my classes. I took that as an opportunity to start study groups and start friendships with the people in those classes. I've been able to work with them on homework or difficult tasks. Today, some of those people aren't in the biology major anymore, but I continued to have friendships with them because of those first weeks of school. In the biology major, we were required to take a class our first semester called First Year Seminar. In this class, we learned about different ways to become successful college students, whether that would be taking notes or preparing for exams. One of the opportunities that we learned about was all the research projects being done at WVU. I learned about ways to approach a faculty member about wanting to be a co author or volunteer for a project. I approached a doctor at Rubin Memorial Hospital who is also a faculty member at WVU School of Medicine. I was able to become a co author on his project, and this project was presented nationwide at a national conference. Now, the activities that I do outside of the classroom and outside of my major are just as important for me. And the first one would be the ROTC program at WVU. Freshman year, I was fortunate enough to be given a scholarship from the Army ROTC Battalion here at WVU. I've been very grateful for this opportunity. I've learned a lot about my leadership qualities and my character from the activities that we do in class, such as small group activities or field training exercises. I'm able to learn from my peers, but I'm also able to learn from upperclassmen and the faculty in RTC known as cadre. These people have become my mentors in life and showed me the type of Army officer that I would like to be someday. Before my freshman year, the RTC battalion recommended that I take a first year trip. These trips are a week long and happen in a wilderness area of West Virginia. On my trip, it was all ROTC cadets, and we were able to hike through Dolly Sods Wilderness in West Virginia. Although this week was extremely difficult and extremely hard, I learned a lot about myself from this trip. I was also to create lifelong friendships from that trip, and I continue to be friends with the people that I met on that trip. I'm extremely grateful for the opportunities that we had on that trip, and I was able to instill the pride of a mountaineer in me. That pride quickly transitioned into the fall season when sports began. It's amazing to see the pride and the cohesion that the WVU community has for sports. There's no greater feeling than after a victory and singing country roads in the football stadium or on the basketball court. These types of opportunities and these types of activities are what make me proud to be a mountaineer. Now, it might seem that my path so far at West Virginia is pretty unique, and it is unique. But I think that's what makes WVU so great. It's because everyone has a unique story and a unique pathway that has brought them to WVU. It's amazing to hear the stories of different people and why they decided to come to WVU. I'm so excited to spend my next few years here at WVU. Let's go, Mountaineers!